Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about the solution of an wave equation by taking a small example with boundary conditions. This is in continuation to the previous video. In the previous video, solution of the wave equation by methods of separation variable, we have formulated the formula. We are going to use that formula here to solve an example, a wave equation in which boundary conditions are given. So I recommend that before watching this video, you must visit that video whose link is given in the description. The question is, find out solution of the wave equation del square u divided by del t square is equal to c square del square u divided by del x square such that u0 t is equal to 0 and ult is equal to a cos alpha t. These two are boundary conditions. At x is equal to 0, uxt is 0, and at x is equal to L, uxt becomes a cos alpha t. We are going to solve this wave equation with these boundary conditions by using method of separation of variables. We know that the solution of the wave equation is uxt is equal to c1 cos px plus c2 sin px into c3 cos cpt plus c4 sin cpt. Now putting the values, the boundary condition u0 t is equal to 0. In equation 2, we have, because our x is equal to 0, if we put x is equal to 0 in 2, we have on the left hand side uxt as 0 and on the right hand side cos px, because x is equal to 0, cos px becomes 1 and sin px becomes 0. So the first term we have only c1 and second term remains as it is, c3 cos cpt plus c4 sin cpt. From this equation we get c1 is equal to 0. Now putting c1 is equal to 0 in equation 2, if we put c1 is equal to 0 in equation 2, we have uxt is equal to c2 sin px into c3 cos cpt plus c4 sin cpt. Thus we have c2 c3 cos cpt into sin px plus c2 c4 sin cpt into sin px. So we have uxt in this form. Now using boundary condition, second boundary condition, ult is equal to a cos alpha t. Here x is equal to L. If x is equal to L, uxt becomes a cos alpha t. This is the boundary condition given for x is equal to L. If we use this boundary condition in equation 3, we get uxt becomes a cos alpha t because x is equal to L. So a cos alpha t, and on the right hand side, if we put x is equal to L, we have c2 c3 cos cpt sin lx, sin pl, x becomes L, plus c2 c4 sin cpt sin pl. So we have this new equation with us by using the second boundary condition. Now equating coefficients of sine and cos on both sides of this equation, we have this alpha is equal to Cp and our A is equal to C2 C3 sin PL. Similarly, if we take this sin CPT, the coefficient of sin CPT is equal to C2 C4 sin PL, and on the left hand side there is no sin CPT term, so we have 0. So here 0 is equal to C2 C4 sin PL. Just we equated the coefficients of sine and cos on both sides of the equality sign. Now from this alpha is equal to Cp, we have P is equal to alpha by C. And from the second equation, we have C2C3 is equal to A divided by sine PL. And from the third, we have C2C4 sine PL is equal to 0. Now putting these values of P, C2, C3, C2, C4 sine PL in equation 3, we have UXT is equal to A sine PL cos alpha t sine alpha by Cx. Here this P is equal to alpha by C, so is equal to A divided by sine alpha by Cl cos alpha t into sine alpha by Cx. So this is the solution of the given wave equation with two boundary conditions at x is equal to 0 and at x is equal to L. Thank you.